Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick explanation on how you can connect your domain to Google Workspace so email and services work on your custom domain. So first, what you will have to do is you go ahead to workplace.google.com and then you will have to click this button right here which is admin console and go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will just have to wait for the website to load, and now you will just have to sign into your Google admin console and start the domain verification process. So once you're there, you will just have to go to domains, then click add or remove domains, and then click add a domain. Next, Google will give you a verification TXT record to add your domain's DNS. Open your domain registrar's DNS settings and add the TXT record. And after that, you will return to the admin console to click verify. And by the way, it can take from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for DNS propagation. Then set up MX records in your domain DNS using the MX records provided by Google Workspace, so email routes to Gmail. And finally, test by sending receiving email and check admin console for domain test status. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.